रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। नौ मुमताज़ इस्लाम दुनिया भर के दिनों में, वहाँ मज़हब किताबों में, यहाँ कुरान सीनों में। टुडे माय प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ लॉ ग्रेजुएट असाइनमेंट टेस्ट द लॉ गेट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान 1973 authenticated and published in the official gazette on 12 April 1973. The Constitution of Pakistan came into force 14 August 1973. The Constitution of Pakistan consists 280 articles. The schedule, 7 schedules. The Constitution of Pakistan. Objective resolution was passed on March 1949. According to the objective resolutions, sovereignty over the entire belongs to Almighty Allah Pak Rabbul Izzat. According to objective resolutions, authority enjoyed by the peoples of Pakistan within limits prescribed by Allah Pak is secured by trust Allah Pak. Objective resolutions provided in the state and shall exercise its powers and authority through elected represented by the peoples. Objective resolutions that the Muslims of Pakistan shall enable to the order their lives as per teachings of Islam. According to objective resolution, minorities shall be free to serve to live according to their own religion. According to objective resolution, independence of judiciary fully secured. Objective resolutions demand the Pakistan shall apply to positive international community and play a model to Muslim countries. Objective resolution as preamble in the Constitution 1973. The Constitution of Pakistan declared Pakistan as Islamic Republic of Pakistan. As Article 1 of the Constitution, territory Pakistan shall be provisional Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Punjab, the federal capital and FATA. So, Islam to be the state religion of Pakistan as provided in Article 2 of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973. According to 2A objective resolutions, the substantive Constitution of Pakistan, the basic duty in every citizen of Pakistan is that it must be loyalty to Pakistan, the loyalty to the state, obedience constitutions and the basic duty of the every citizen of Pakistan and the provided in Article 5 of the Constitution. Any person who abrogated of the observed and the suspends of the held abeyance and the attempts to conspiracies and abrogated and the suspended or held in the abeyance the Constitution by the force, by the shown of the force, by the on the unconstitutional means shall be guilty of high treason. High treason. As per Article 6, Clause 3 is in power, Majlis Shura Parliament is in power to provide punishment or the person found guilty of high treason. Definition of the state is provided Article 7 of the Constitution of 1973. Article 29 to 40 of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 providing principles of policy. Article 8 Constitution of Pakistan 1973, any law inconsistent with or in derogations of the fundamental right to be void. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, shall in accordance with law as provided in Article 9 of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973. Article 8 to 28 of the Constitution with the fundamental rights of Pakistan, any rights which has been provided Constitution of Pakistan 1973 is called fundamental rights. The fundamental rights in Pakistan. Safeguard as to arrest and detention is provided in Article 10 safeguard of the Constitution of Pakistan. Article 10A of the Constitutional right to fair trial. Right to fair trial is right of every citizen. Fundamental rights. You provide fundamental rights. Slavery, forced labor, etc. prohibited in Article 11 of the Constitution of 1973. Article 12 of the Constitution 1973 provided protection against retrospective punishment. Article 13 of the Constitution protects from double punishment. No person shall be subjected to torture for the purpose of extract evidence is provided in Article 14, Clause 2 of the Constitution 1973. Article 15 Constitution of Pakistan 1973 provided freedom of movement. Freedom of movement, you provided freedom of movement, the Article 15 Constitution of Pakistan. Freedom of assembly is provided in Article 16 of the Constitution of Pakistan. Freedom of provided in Article 17 of the Constitution of Associations. Article 18 of the Constitution 1973, freedom of business, of professions. Every citizen shall have the right to access to information in the matters of public importance subject to regulations and reasonable restrictions imposed by law is provided in Article 19A of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973. Article 21 of the Constitution 1973 provided safeguard against taxation purpose particular religion. Protection of property right is ensured in Article of the Constitution 24A. Right of information provided Article 19A of the Constitution 1973. According to the article of the Constitution 25, all citizens equal before law. Article 25 say all citizens equal before law. The state is responsible for the protections of family, marriage, mother, child as provided in Article 35 of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973. According to 1973 Constitution, President is head of the state. The state shall be safeguard the legislature, the legitimate rights and the interest minorities, including their representations in the federal and the provisional services provided by the Article of 36 of the Constitution 1973. The Constitution promotion of social justice, eradications of social evidence. In Constitution 1973, minimum age limit of president is held 45 years. Before entering upon Under article this on upon the office article 42, the president shall make oath before the Chief Justice of Pakistan, Chief Justice of Supreme Court of Pakistan. President is empowered. Article of 45 is Constitution grant action, reprieve and respite, remit and suspend, commute any sentence. President can be removed from the office by the parliament on ground of physical, material incapability, misconduct through process impeachments. Article 47 of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 bonds the president to act upon advice. Article 49 of the Constitutional 1973. Article 49 of the Constitution 1949. Article 49 Constitution of Pakistan 1973 empower chairman of Senate. Functions of president is absence of the president. Constitution of Pakistan 1973 provided bicameral kinds of parliament. Lower house of parliament in Pakistan is called National Assembly. Senate is upper house of parliament in Pakistan. Duration of National Assembly 5 years is provided in Article 52. Balochistan has 17 total seats in National Assembly. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa 14 seats in general seats in National Assembly. Punjab has 183 total seats in National Assembly. Total strength of National Assembly members 342. Seats reserved for women for Sindh National Assembly are 14. Federal Capital Area has 2 seats National Assembly. FATA 0 seats in National Assembly. Minimum age for membership of National Assembly 25 years. The Constitution of 1973 provided elections of National Assembly direct. Under Article 58, the President shall dissolve the National Assembly advice of Prime Minister. National Assembly is presided by Speaker. Constitution of 1973 provided indirect elections of President. Under Article 59 of the Constitution of Pakistan shall consist 104 members. Each provide have seats, 14 seats in the Senate. There are 4 seats technocrats of the Senates. There are 4 seats of the non-Muslim Senate of Pakistan. The system of election adopted for Senate in Constitution of Pakistan 1973 proportional represented. Term and tenure of Senate members is 6 years. A person shall not be qualified to be elected or chosen a member of the parliament unless they fulfill a qualification according to the Article 73 of the Constitution 1973. Article 63 of the Constitution 1973 deals with disqualifications of member of National Assembly, Senate of members. A person who holds told citizenship is disqualified for members parliament provided in Article 62. Disqualification grounds defections of member parliament is provided in Article 63 of the Constitution. Article 66 of the Constitution deals with the privileged members of parliament. The presiding officer of the Senate is called chairman. Minimum age of candidates of Senate 30 years. It is restricted in Article 68 of the Constitution that no discussion shall take place in Majlis Shura Parliament with respect to the conduct of any judge of Supreme Court and a High Court in the discharge of these duties. Article 70 of the Constitution describes by procedures to introduction of the passing of bills in Parliament. Article 70. A bill can be passed 2/3 majority of the total membership in both houses of Parliament. According to the Constitution of Pakistan, 1973, money bills can only be into the use in National Assembly. Article 62 of the Constitution deals with qualifications members of Parliament's court. Article 89 of the Constitution empower President to the promulgate ordinance. Formation of Cabinet is provided Article 91. Under Article 90 of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973, executive authority, the Federation shall be exercised in the name of presided by the President. Prime Minister is the head of the cabinet. Before entering upon a federal minister, federal state, the minister shall make oath before President. According to the Article 93 of the Constitutional, Presiding can oppose Article 5 advisors on advice to Prime Minister. According to the Article 93 of the Constitutional, President can be appointed by 5 advisors on advice to Prime Ministers. Article 95 of the Constitution of Pakistan, vote and confidence. Article 95 of the Constitutional deals with vote and confidence Prime Minister. Our instructions for vote of no confidence needs to be moved by no less than 20% members of National Assembly against the Prime Minister. The President shall appoint being a person qualified to be appointed as a judge of Supreme Court of Pakistan, the to be the Attorney General of Pakistan under Article 100 of the Constitution 1973. Under Article 101 of the Constitution 1973, President appoint Governor on the advice of Prime Minister. To become an Attorney General of Pakistan, person must have qualifications to be appointment a judge of Supreme Court of Pakistan. Minimum age limit for appoint appointment of a persons as governor under Article 101 of the Constitution 1973, 35 year above. Before entering upon office, the governor shall make oath before Chief Justice of concerned High Court. In absence of governor, province, Speaker of Provisional Assembly. Article 106 Constitution of Pakistan 1973 deals with Constitution of Provisional Assemblies. Governor has power to dissolve Provisional Assembly as provided by Article 112 at advice of Chief Minister. Article 113 of the Constitution deals with qualification and disqualification for members of Provisional Assembly. Governor of province have power to promulgate ordinance under Article 128. Chief Minister is the executive of the province. Governor is head of province. Article 136 of the Constitution 1973 empower Provisional Assembly to pass vote into confidence against Chief Minister. To move a resolutions for vote and confidence against Chief Minister, Provisional Assembly will need support of 20% of total members. Article 140 of the Constitution 1973 deals with appointment of Advocate General. Advocate General is appointment by the Governor. To become Advocate General, the person must be qualified to be appointment Judge High Court. It shall be duty of the Advocate General to give advice to Provisional Governor upon legal matters to perform the duties of legal characters. Article 141 to 144 of the Constitution 1973 deals with the distribution of legislature power. Administrative relation between federations of provinces are deal with the Article 145 to 152 Constitution. Article 152 of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 empower federations of accurate land for federal purpose. The council formed under Article 153 of the Constitution now as Council of Interest. The Council of Common Interest consists of 7 members. The President under Article of the Constitution shall consist National Economic Council. The National Economic Council shall be consist 12 members. Article 160 of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 deals with National Finance Commissioner. Article 172 declared federal government owner of the land, minerals and other things of the value with the constitutional contentional shall be enjoying the constitution beyond the territorial waters of Pakistan. 172 article. Listen. Article 176 of the Constitution 1973 with deals Constitution of Supreme Court of Pakistan. The Chief Justice of Pakistan shall be appointed by the President. A Judge Supreme Court hold office until the attends in the year of 65 years. Before entering upon office, Chief Justice of Pakistan shall make oath before President of Pakistan. Article 175A provided Judicial Commission for appointment of judges of Supreme Court, High Court, Federal Shariat Court. Article 175A. Article 182 of the Constitution 1973 deals with the ad judges of Supreme Court or judges of Supreme Court of Pakistan. Article 184 of the Constitutional original jurisdiction of Supreme Court. Article 185 of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 deals with the appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court. 185. If President desires to obtain opinion of Supreme Court about any questions of law, Supreme Court considered this will be called of the Supreme Court advisory jurisdiction. Article 188 of the Constitution deals with 1973 the power of review Supreme Court. 188. Under Article 190, executive and judicial authorities throughout the Pakistan shall act in the Supreme Court of Pakistan. Article B of the Constitutional 1973 deals with the Constitution of the High Court of Province. Retiring age of High Court Judge 62 year. Article 199 the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 with jurisdiction of the High Court Province. Next lecture inshallah will come. Thank you so much. Pakistan Zindabad.